What's up, and welcome to the SaaS Building Days 26 through 29. One of the things that I have accomplished is I have revamped sign-in and sign-up pages. I use Clerk, and the default design for those pages is not in my style, so I decided to use Shadcn from Clerk elements to revamp these pages. So here's the sign up page. As you can see here, it's very minimalistic. I have the label and the button, and the same for sign in, the label and the button. This SaaS is primarily done for web developers. That's why the only way to authenticate is with your GitHub account. But the main thing that I have been doing is a Stripe integration. So at the moment, as you can see here, we have three plans, the annual and lifetime plans. A user can pay from the landing page, but also he can upgrade inside of the application. So let me first go with the free plan. So let's say users decide to go with the free plan. As you can see here, we have a free plan and user clicks. So after user has authenticated, as you can see here, he is inside of the dashboard, and right there inside of the badge, you can see here's a free plan. And inside of the free plan, of course, there's some limits. And the limit is that every free user will have access only to one category. And inside of this application, user then later can upgrade. So as you can see here, after he clicks, he has two, again, selections, annual or lifetime. So let's say he clicks annual, and now the process starts on the server of the Stripe. So we have entered the mock data for the Stripe, and let's test the payment. So as you can see, it's a successful status page, and right there user just clicks start learning, and as you can see here, the plan has been upgraded. Now it's an annual plan, and also now all the categories are visible. At the moment I just have three, but it's all the content of the application. So let's say something happened when user tried to pay, then he will be redirected to a cancel page, and in that case he could either go back to application and try to pay again, or he can contact the support and try to resolve the issue. So if you're interested from the developer side of things, let me quickly explain you the flow of the Stripe. So the user clicks some plan button, and then he's being redirected to a sign up page, and as you can see here, there is a plan search param for the plan. It could be either annual or lifetime. After that, he clicks a sign in with GitHub button, and first what's happening in the background, the user is being created on that event. Data object is being sent to a webhook for the Clerk, and new user is being created in database. After successful authentication, Stripe webhook is being run, where it checks if everything went okay, and then sends the user to a success page, or as I showed you before, it could send you to the cancel page if something was wrong. So this is in a brief how the flow works. And before we finish, I want to show you my free guide, which is top 5 AI tools to build 3x faster for web developers. Again, it's a free guide. You can find it on the link below. And the thing is that I test dozens of different instruments on AI for web developers, and then I collect only the best, the most effective ones, and I put them inside of this guide. So if you want to build much faster, I would suggest you to go and download this free guide. Thank you, and see you in the next video.